Everyone thinks Goans only eat fish. Fish curry, fried fish, prawns curry, that's all people imagine. But here's something most people don't know. In Goa, we love our vegetables just as much as our fish. In fact, every traditional Goan fish thali has a vegetable on the side. And today I'm making one of my favorites, a simple Goan style bhindi which we call Bhenyachi Bhaji. First, we wash the bhindi and let it dry completely. It may sound like a small step, but this is the secret. The bhindi does not turn sticky and slimy if it's completely dry. Once this is done, we chop it into bite sized pieces. Before cutting the bhindis, make sure to check every bhindi to confirm if it's good on the inside. Maybe you can just put a slit as I have shown. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Now a simple tadka. Heat oil, then add mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, hing and turmeric. Next, we add some chopped onions and green chilies. Let them soften a little, do not overcook. Now add the bhindis along with salt and kokum. Stir it gently. Let it cook slowly for around 7 to 10 minutes. And here comes the part that makes this dish truly Goan. Generous handful of freshly grated coconut. It becomes fragrant, slightly tangy, and beautifully coastal. Give it one last gentle toss, and that's it. Exactly the kind you'll find in a true Goan thali. If you have never tried bhindi this way, give it a go. It might just become your new favorite. Like and subscribe for more such recipes. See you in the next one.